Gotta grab this bike. Ain't I'ma miss you. I'm gonna miss my bike bad. What's up, there gang, man? We back with a video. As y'all can see, we about to dip, about to go pick up. Who we about to go pick up, man?
Milo.
No, it's bike life, Milo. Bike life. What?
She was playing outside because I was like, let me just open the thing because it's clear, you know?
Yeah.
She was playing right there. I brought her back inside, I closed it, she said, BAM!
What?
Right on the glass door.
And she like, oh heck no. Little Chanel down there. I am taking my bike down to Georgia. Babe, you gotta get the last ride on this bike for me.
I ain't finna get no last ride.
Like, record it.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me riding.
No. Show.
So, this is a little fact. Of course she's gonna use it now. But usually when I put it in her bowl, I spread it like little places.
What the?
And she got a little snack. Cause I be gone.
Look at it. Just snacking away. Y'all give me a second. I gotta get the bike outside and get the cage, and we just gotta get this truck loaded up. So give me like.
You know, meet them outside when you get on the bike, don't you know?
Chanel not having it. Chanel, get back here. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Got him. You stuck now. Damn, you can jump now. And make sure y'all go ahead, like, and comment. And let me know how y'all feel about these videos, man. This is going to be my lifestyle content, you feel me? Mr. Do It All at his finest. Because that's what I do, baby. But the only reason I'm taking this bike because I'm making a delivery to my young boy. There's something wrong with the brakes, so he might not have no brakes. But other than that, he got a nice bike that's going to get him to point A, point B. Ain't that right, Chanel? Okay, get back. All right, y'all. What's up, y'all? That thing was switching gears. Bro, it feels so weird getting on the bicycle. Yo, his door open, y'all. Yeah, they riding. Anyway, y'all, we is in the car on the road, ain't we?
Yeah.
Now, why you just get over in front of that person? Like,
Well,
get back over. Get back over.
He even went back.
That boy got a TRX. Yeah, they got some money. They all together. Look. That be hard.
Dang, they all together.
They hard. Boy, that lit.
Look
yeah.
at the inside of his thing.
That be hard. That be hard, nigga. Yeah.
Oh my god.
He got his thumb
pay
up.
attention to the light.
He got his thumb up. Let him pass. I know that thing got some horse in it. He got some beat now.
He did that on purpose.
Man, that little.
Let's see what this one do.
Let's see. Now he got them for real. I
No,
like that
here
one.
goes this one.
I like that box Chevy. And then here he go. He got to fix his. His door don't
Get
close.
over good.
His tag called locked in. Lock in.
Are they together?
Yeah, they gotta be.
That's
All this right here together.
not even a nice car.
Babe, that right there?
That will be in a car show.
That right there
How?
is $130,000 truck right there. For real, it got a Hellcat engine in it.
Nobody wants that.
This truck, that car, that truck, that car right there, all that right there together, yeah, that thing sounds so good. But all that together is probably like,
$500,000 house.
nah, 600,000. Look at them with the bikes. Oh my, where is everybody going?
Look at that little spider. They living the life right there.
We going the wrong way, is it? We
It's
supposed to
right.
be here. When I get my bike, you gonna
Of course
ride?
they don't- No.
Okay. Oh, look at this one. He got a hell truck.
And what do you got?
Hey, that's Cynthia. Hey, don't nobody mess with Cynthia. Look at him. He got a hell truck right here. That boy got nothing but dancing everywhere.
You too. You hit a pole.
You're lame as heck, yeah.
You got this. My car though. Snow White.
Yeah, Snow White with crack on the front of it. Hot. Bro, it got nothing but bugs on it.
So?
That thing love bugs. But yeah, like I was saying, we're about to get on the road and go to the gas station. Well, we are on the road, but we're about to go to this gas station, fill up, get something to eat, and we out of here. So, I'm gonna give y'all a hint.
Ah, shoot.
What? She don't know how to drive, y'all. But we're gonna catch y'all in a few minutes. Alright, y'all, so we starting getting gas right now. She on the phone with our neighbor. Anyway, man, we getting some gas right there. See that thing? The slowest pump ever. Anyway.
Yo.
So we got a hoagie. Hold on. This man got a SRT badge on a regular V8. Uh-oh, hold on.
Nah, you being
300S. Nigga. That slow old car.
Didn't even go nowhere, but I can't say nothing. Mine didn't go nowhere either.
Anyway, y'all, we is an hour away. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? There we go.
My ears just popped.
After a long ride of nonsense. Nah, but for real, we is in Fulton County. You know what I'm saying? We is literally 18 minutes away from our destination. Isn't that right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, eyes on the road.
There's time.
Like, gosh. Yeah, that girl talk about some Texas. Don't nobody care about no Texas.
I bet you everyone in the comments care about Texas.
It won't be nobody in the comments talk about Texas.
What did you feel?
Literally.
What did you feel?
There won't be nobody in them comments anyway. I just said that just to see what you would do. You really fake as hell.
That's not fake. And I
That
laughed
is.
at your joke.
No, because you wanted me to say it, so I said it for you just to see if you was going to laugh. It's alright, though. Biggest hater.
I'm not no hater.
Nah, I don't want to hear it. What?
You get it?
No, because it's an L joke.
Stop, Michelle.
After a few hours later, the train has passed, and my girl got mad. I need you to drive this thing, cuzzo.
I'm literally going, don't come here, cuzzo.
Hey, you need a Jeep Renegade the way we drive it. Hey, bud. Yo, so we made it, man. How y'all doing? Good, good, good.
Here's your puppy. I got some food over here for
Alright. What's up, bro?
You going with yard?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, good.
Okay, you scoop it in
Okay.
and then put a little bit of water. Okay.
But all right.
You don't have to grind it up once you get the real food, though.
Okay.
You can.
Hey, say what's up, mama. Got the new
You're
dog.
driving. I don't know what you're doing.
Why I gotta drive?
You said you
Well,
were
take the
driving.
food. Don't flash no light in my dog. Trying to blind. Hey, yeah, we're gonna catch her in a sec once we get situated. She gotta use the bathroom.
You're so pretty. Yes, you are. So pretty. Oh my god.
Kelly bass beat.
What's up, though? What's up, though?
You gotta show my real.
Got the pasta Rio rug right there. If you know, then you know. Let me check on my girl. Oh, come on. Come outside. Say what's up, yeah. Milo. That it. Dang, bro. Get the wheel. Shh. Milo. He trying to get used to it. 5 weeks. He really shouldn't even be on the grass right now, but it's alright.
Cause now I'm good though. Now I don't need no female. You know, every pussy day.
It is.
Hold on, this
I said it is. What? I said it is. Is it not? That's what I be telling you.
Sit down.
He was talking about how he played with LeBron. Can't you see my boy still? Who you think you was, a comedian?
He was both roaming in the street. He didn't go nowhere.
Okay, that was funny. That was funny.